It's Robin from R48 Productions. I'm here with Nature. I'm so pretty. When I typed this, I put I'm so sad.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Fuck with me.
So I don't know what's wrong with me. Let's go. This reminds me of like Elvis, like Pow Pow. Production must have been very expensive. Ooh, what kind of cereal is that? Okay, that was cool. Oh, they got Honey Made cereal. Is her hair orange or pink? Comment down below. I wonder what the fox means. Chest or biscuit? This is what I imagine every K-pop video would be when I started getting into K-pop. Like futuristic and all. It's like you're in a supermarket or something and trying to go through every aisle trying to find what you're looking for. The girl in the black. You know what that reminded me of? You know how like that kind of ended like an Elvis song, I'm not gonna lie. That was a really good ending, cause like how like it was like do like it's almost like, you know how in Mario Kart it goes like you have like the red, the 3, 2, 1, and then you blast off. It kind of reminded me of that, so that was a little bit of nostalgia. Overall, even though with no lyrics, I'm glad I have Wi-Fi because now I can watch it in like 1080p, which is amazing. I don't know if we should look at the lyrics, but I want to look at the lyrics because I want to understand it better. So here's what I'll do. Here we got some color lyrics. J-Bin looks like Taya. just kind of looking like a model video, like model lyrics. You know how like if your girlfriend asks your boyfriend, "Do I look pretty in this?" You should be like, "Yes." Hot Girl Summer 2019. Is this what it means? Yeah, it's basically about feeling yourself almost. And then like you have a guy, Google Gaga over you. And these girls have interesting names. Aurora, Saborn, Lil. Those are interesting names. Okay, ignore the good girl thing. It's more trying to see if you want to date this guy. This is like... Yeah, they just made this song more confusing. Ooh. That's not good. On my eye. Wow. So, always be careful. You know, they should really clarify that in the beginning. So it's like as soon as you fall in love with somebody, be careful, because you don't know what's gonna happen, and that's basically the gist of the lyrics. Ultimate K-pop and cereal. Someone answered me that question. Yeah, the lyric video clears up mostly all of my. The weird thing is the music video didn't even show a boy, so like, what's going on there? Is it just their imagination? Overall, I'm gonna give like the video probably a good 8 out of 10. It reminded me of Elvis at first, and then like as the video went on, it more futuristic in a way. I can't really complain about, like, I love when they did that twirl and then like they changed their outfits. That was pretty cool. I think that was a very unique take on making a transition. Overall, I can see why this video has 1.3 million views over the last 5 days. Make sure you check out Nature. And thank you guys for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. I'm sorry. I have sunburn. It's hurting. From Wednesday, which is sad. Update on myself? Man, I don't know. It's like been crazy. I wanted to do K-pop videos. It's just that doing this style, I kind of hate it in a way. I want to make it better. And I wanted to post something for you guys because, one, I'm not so sure how I'm going to do it the way I wanted to do it. Maybe I'll use this as a test dummy video and see if you guys like the way that this is going to be edited. It's going to be a mix of what I did before and a little bit of past videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Love and peace. I don't know why I'm doing this. I can't do it. Do not text and drive. Always drive safe. Make sure you check out Romans R, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram. Please check that out. And I'll see you all next time. Thank you all for the support. Peace. What's that movie called? Oh my god. By Stanley Kubrick. I forgot. Someone needs to tell me.
Here's Johnny!